Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Zoom in Windows 11. So for this case, first of all we have to go to the Mozilla Firefox browser, then write Zoom download or install for the Windows. Then go to the Zoom official website, download for Windows. Now we have to download it Zoom. It is downloading. So see, it's downloading. So now we have to install. For this case, press the exe. Just initialize. The registration was successful, done. If you want to join a meeting, we have to write down the meeting ID or personal link, and if we cancel it, then if we sign up or sign in, if we want to sign in, then we have to write the sign in. Here I have my Google account, so I will sign in from my Google site. If I always allow from the apps, then I will open the link. See, it started. If I can join new meeting, and if you can create the schedule time. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.